What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and here to show you guys and to share with you guys some things that you definitely want to check out at Dollar Tree. If you're new to the Dollar Tree community, then I hope this video will really help you out because I really want to start pointing out some things that are such a great deal to buy at Dollar Tree. This will be sort of a what to buy at Dollar Tree video, and if all goes well, I'd really like to start making a lot of these videos for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I think one really great deal to get at Dollar Tree are their Ready Set stamps. These are clear stamps that you can simply attach to this little block here. And they're just so easy to store because you don't have the bulky wood block. But they have so many different varieties that are just so cute. If you guys love decorating your planner, if you love doing crafts, or just adding a little accent to everyday paperwork, I think you guys will love these. These are just some from my collection. Besides the cactus, this is definitely one of my favorites right here. I also have the birthday one. And this is the newest birthday one that just came out, and I really love the little tassel banner. If you guys love decorating your planner layouts, this is also another must. We have so many cute washi tapes. These are some of my more recent washi tapes that I've purchased. However, I have a really huge collection. They're just so cute and such a great deal for just $1. In the Dollar Tree community, we often refer to these as the crown jewel of Dollar Tree because sometimes they're super hard to find, but when you do, there's usually a long strip of them going down to the floor, and it's like you're just so happy you've hit the jackpot. Another really great thing to find at Dollar Tree is their ribbon. They often have a really pretty selection of ribbon, and you just have to check back each season because it does vary from season to season. These are some of the new ones that they have for spring and Easter, and they had 4 with this chevron foiled print. This is a ribbon from Valentine's Day that I really liked. This one was from Christmas. And here's another one from Christmas, again with the beautiful burlap. That like to have everything be just a little extra, these tapes will come in handy because if you're sending off a package to your relatives or to your niece, These just really dress up a package, and I have a lot of these tapes. These are the packing tapes or the masking tapes. What do they call them? The duct tapes. And I just really like these. These are some of my favorites. Here is one of my ultimate favorites, you guys. Maybe you've seen it in the past. And I also have a matching wrapping paper to go along with this and a matching notebook. Dollar Tree also comes out with some really nice decorative mesh each season for Halloween, for Christmas, for Easter, to those of you that like making wreaths, seasonal wreaths, or decorating baskets, or making bows, or just adding a little something extra to a package. I think you guys will absolutely love their decorative mesh. They also tend to keep a variety of sparkle tulle in the store. This came from around Christmas time, and I really love this one because it has the iridescent sparkle inside. Dollar Tree regularly carries a lot of things that we would normally find in the craft section at Target or Walmart or Michael's for a lot cheaper as well, like this foam mounting tape. It's pre-cut and it's double-sided. They also often carry things like glue sticks, school glue, liquid adhesive. I have this also in a 3-pack, but I believe it's opened, where you have 3 different types of glues in one pack. They also carry a variety of sequins from time to time for those of you that like doing shaker cards and crafts with sequins. A lot of functional things, scissors, various tapes. This is a double-sided glue tape, really cute and tiny. I think Dollar Tree is a place that you just always want to check first prior to going anywhere else to buying anything, because they have such great deals. They even have these organizer cases from time to time. This is by Jot. It's super sturdy and it's really, really nice. I'm currently using one of these to store some of Birdy's Shopkins and mini mixies. I think it's just so nice, and again, very durable. I've never had any problem with these, and I just love all the different compartments. These are perfect for nail art pieces, craft pieces, sewing, screws, nails. Anyone in your family could find a use for one of these. I really love it. Whenever I find these, I like to pick up an extra. I think I have about 4 right now, but I think this is a great find at Dollar Tree. I've gotten many different packs of pom-poms at Dollar Tree over the year. I like making planner clips with them. I think they're so cute. They always seem to have these Chanel stems as well, which are just your typical pipe cleaners. And another thing that you can always find there are your pins and your tacks and your paper clips. Sometimes you can find really pretty paper clips like these pastel paper clips. They have them in the large size and the small size. And last but not least, I love that Dollar Tree has this diamond wrap at just $1. You can get the thin roll, you can get the thick roll. You're getting 6 feet of diamond wrap. And if you are into doing DIYs and turning things glam, I think this is the perfect one for you, even though they have other colors. So I love these, and I actually have some DIYs in mind. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are actually interested in seeing some DIYs with some of these products, because I do have some ideas to share. Well, hey you guys, that wraps up what to buy at Dollar Tree video number 1. If I get a good response from this video and you guys are really liking it, I'll definitely make more. I asked you guys the other day in a live stream and you guys seemed very interested. Some of you have been actually requesting these videos on sort of a regular basis, so I wanted to make the first one here for you guys. And I really love sharing these items. I love sharing these things in my collection and encouraging you guys to get out to Dollar Tree and making that your number 1 stop before you go anywhere else, at least giving them a chance. But all right, you guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.